Hi, good morning from our luxury cruise America RV. Everything's all mess everywhere. We've been traveling all night. Well, we took a little stop just when we entered California. We're now just outside Palm Springs, I guess, heading to Oceanside. There's a pink dinosaur and the sunrise. We're stopping to get gas. Look at that. That is pretty. It looks like it's got the clouds are coming in from the other side. And this is, even though I'm in a not so great parking lot, it's really beautiful. Really, really beautiful. So just keep watching that sunrise with the pink brontosaurus.